Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make 3 delicious salads, perfect for a summer barbecue. First up is a Greek pasta salad, our personal favorite. I'll cook 16 ounces of pasta first. Don't forget to salt your water. Drain and rinse under cold water. Chop 1 cup of peppers, 2 cups of cucumber, slice or dice half a cup of red onion, 2 cups of tomato, but use a sharper knife than me, half a cup of your favorite olives, and the best part, 1 cup of feta cheese. Now on to the dressing. Chop 1 clove of garlic and add it to a bowl. To that, add 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. To emulsify your dressing, slowly add half a cup of olive oil while continuously whisking. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Now mix everything together and that's it! The second dish is a chickpea quinoa salad with lemon tahini dressing. We need to rinse 1 cup of quinoa. In a pot, combine the quinoa and 1 3/4 cup of water. Bring it to a boil, cover and reduce heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove cover and let it sit for 10 minutes. While that's happening, or you can always cook your quinoa the day before, chop 1 pepper, half a carrot, 2 green onion or a bunch of chives, a bunch of parsley, and 1 15-ounce can or 1½ cups of cooked and drained chickpeas. The dressing is really simple. Add 1 clove of chopped garlic to a bowl. Half cup of tahini, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and as always, salt and pepper to taste. Now whisk and add 2/3 to 3/4 cup of water until it's at a good consistency. Oh, and add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Quinoa is ready and cooled. Add quinoa to everything else plus the dressing and combine. Yum! Healthy and delicious! The final dish is a strawberry spinach salad with candied pecans and balsamic vinaigrette. Let's start with the pecans, aka the best part. Add 1½ tablespoon of brown sugar, half tablespoon of butter, and 3/4 cups of pecans to a pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the sugar caramelizes. Transfer to a plate in a single layer to cool. Have your toppings ready. Slice your red onion and strawberries. This is a composed salad, which means it's arranged on a plate rather than tossed in a bowl. Start with the spinach and arrange how you like. Add pecans, onions, strawberry, and goat cheese. Make it look pretty. For the balsamic vinaigrette, add 1 clove of garlic to a bowl. 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Just like with the Greek dressing, slowly add 3/4 cup of olive oil while continuously whisking so the dressing emulsifies. I like adding it to a squeeze bottle, but you only need a spoon to drizzle it on. That's it! This one is a great base to add any of your favorite toppings. So here are the 3 simple salad ideas. Hope you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.